AI with wallets being able to buy resources. And one of the scenarios that becomes really interesting is the scenario when an AI can use the income from whatever activities it's doing to buy things like Amazon Web Services cloud instances to expand its own memory capacity, intelligence, and reach. And we've already seen AI hire people to do things like solve captchas so that it can bypass things. This happened very quickly in ChatGPT. And so AI hiring people, AI launching more computers so that it has more memory, more GPU, more processing power, more storage. There's some very interesting things that can happen. Not all of those things are good. In fact, most of them are actually quite scary. There's a reason why a lot of people are talking about when you do experimentation and development in AI, you must have an ethical framework to do that.